Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Pisces. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Pisces, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. And this is an intuitive reading, Pisces. So at some point of the reading, you may get the answers you want. Maybe you're thinking about something. So it is better you watch till the end of the reading, Pisces. So let's start with these cards for your general energies first. So we have Devil, Ace of Moons in reverse, and Nine of Spears in reverse. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your career or maybe in your relationship, you are changing. You are someone seeing changes today in your life. Maybe your circumstances are changing, and it is really difficult for you to handle these changes. It may be emotional change that you are seeing, or it may be a physical change, maybe a change in the place of work, or some changes in your career, something like a metamorphosis, something changing you completely. And you're wishing that things were the same. You are, hoping that there are no more changes for you, because you feel that whatever the circumstances was before, that was good. That was something you adjusted to. Maybe sometimes, guys, it is not about something good, it is something that is really familiar to us. That is the reason we feel really sad when circumstances are changing. But without change, we will all stagnate. So these changes are taking you towards a better circumstance. So today you may feel sad or disappointed about something, maybe in this relationship, maybe with this person. You would have thought of them as someone, but today the way they are, the words they speak, or their actions, it's giving you a lot of disappointment, and you don't know where things are going. And maybe you really feel sad that circumstances has come to this point. Maybe you feel that it is your mistake for being with this person, being in this relationship, or choosing this person for you. So you are thinking about something you did, maybe your past. You are worrying about something you did in the past, maybe making this choice, choosing this person. Whatever it was, it is giving you a lot of stress, lot of unhappiness today. And you may feel that you are so much different from this person. You are unable to relate to them in any way. Maybe your standards are too high, and they are someone, so different. And you may have some obsessive thoughts in this relationship about this person. And today you know the truth, what is there in their mind, and based on their actions and behavior. And truth is making the circumstances even more harsh for you. It is really difficult to see the truth and live with the truth. And circumstances, it may be your energy, guys. you know the you know the truth about this person. That is the reason it is really difficult. Or maybe this person knows the truth about you and it is really difficult for them. That is the reason they want to move away, or they are thinking of moving away from you, Pisces. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We picked one card. We will see what is the card. It's Four of Spheres. So with this card in your relationship, maybe this person is, what to say, circumstances may change for some of you if you are patient enough. If you are patient enough for this person to understand, for this person to come towards you, maybe if you are the one really hurt by their behavior, maybe if you give them time, if you are really kind to them, they may understand your love and they may come back to you, Pisces. So for your career situation, Pisces, we picked one card, and it is Knight of Suns in reverse. So with this card, it just means that there are unexpected changes waiting for you in your career, and you need more focus, you need more commitment if you want success today in your career circumstances, Pisces. So that is the reading with these cards, Pisces. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading, guys. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Pisces. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so we will start with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, we will see what it is. Fair brown and trembling. So with this card, the energy is that in your situation today, whenever this card comes to you, it just means that you are supposed to manifest whatever you wish for and do not accept the fate someone else is forcing upon you. You will, maybe you are shy about something, you are feeling really humiliated, and all that humiliation you have gone through in your life, all that troubles or whatever circumstances, toxic circumstances you have been through, and you were really hurt. But very soon you will find the person who will respect you for what you are, respect your characteristics, respect your uniqueness. And this person will protect you, and this person will fight for you, and they will also search for you if you are not to be found. That will be their dedication to you and to this love you both will share. And there is a good fortune coming to you, guys, for those who chose this card. And you need to value yourself and believe in yourself, because each and every one of us are unique in our own way. Maybe the strangeness or shyness, whatever it is the most valued and treasured qualities you have. You need to understand that. And all that goodness you have today, maybe the opportunities, maybe people within your own family are not kind towards you. They are quite jealous, or they are thinking of you in a bad way. They may have bad intentions towards you. And you need to understand that if you are in a good position, maybe financially, or um, that's what I mean. Financially, if you are in a good position, you have a lot of things people may be envious about. It is all the fruits of your own hard work, and you need not give it away to someone. You need not share it with the people who do not care for you, guys. It will never bring happiness to that person and only to you. And you need to understand that. And you are someone unique, and you need to have that trust in yourself. And you will find that true love, long lasting love, that is coming towards you, and this person will understand you and respect you for what you are, what you truthfully are, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have Pink Sapphire. So it is a crystal spirits card here, guys. So with this card, it just means that you need to heal yourself. That is the energy with this crystal spirit, the pink sapphire spirit. It just means that you need to turn inward, and you need to be concerned about yourself and not with others at this particular time. Let go of any urge you are having to think about the past, assessing what happened, what went wrong, and reliving the past. That is not going to help you in any way. You need to, you deserve to be happy, confident, and faithful. So, in order to achieve all that, you must let go of all that old stories, release the pain that is no longer serving you. So, you need to, maybe sometimes we may feel sad, we may feel like crying. We need to vent it all, vent out, go for a good cry, give up all that energy out of you, all that negative energy out of you, make way for it out of you. And you need to fill yourself up with love and acceptance that you so much deserve today. So, this crystal card just reminds you that you are what you are, all that you need to be right now. You are whole, you are someone, a beautiful spirit, and conscious universe which is loving you is telling you that you are very strong as you are, and you need not feel anything negative about you. And this crystal spirit teaches us forgiveness, guys. So when we forgive, we let go of all those toxic feelings, and we welcome love and happiness in our heart. So that is the energy here with this card, and that is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.